Throughout the history of civilizations, humankind has shown its capability to progress. Creating a better future for generation after generation is a human instinct. Energy is always needed to drive progress. And today, an immense amount of power is needed to keep up with the time. But what is a better future? A better future is created when we optimize our resources. Located in the Ring of Fire, Indonesia is one of the world's geothermal powerhouses. A highly versatile green energy source accessible to everyone. Since 1974, when the term renewable energy was still new to the world, in the hands of this country's best-selling Pertamina Geothermal Energy has been utilizing Indonesia's geothermal energy, successfully becoming one of the countries with the largest geothermal installed capacity in the world while supporting the global sustainable development goals. A better future begins today. Therefore, as a company, we are committed to keeping environmental impacts low, retaining social contributions, and maintaining good governance. A better future is about being responsible for the environment. We integrate conservation management in our daily operations to strengthen the contribution to sustainability. A better future is about people. We are actively promoting diversity and equal opportunities while safeguarding the health, safety, and well-being of our employees, families, partners, and communities. A better future is about integrity. To ensure our quality of services, we are also implementing the ethics and compliance standard and whistleblowing system. A better future is created through innovation. Therefore, we go beyond green electricity. We are currently developing several green byproducts from geothermal resources. Our exploration sites are also geothermal tourism destinations that enhance the surrounding community's economy. And that's not all. We also care about our site's entire biodiversity, which encourages us to build conservation center for endemic animal around our site. A better future is our goal. As a proud Indonesian company standing on the land of geothermal superpower energy, we are honored to empower the future of our nation and the world. And we believe a better future is our journey together. The power to build a better future is not in our dreams, but it's in our hands. It's up to you and me. Together, let's make a difference for our better future. Pertamina Geothermal Energy, energizing green future.